He's trying to work his way up to
Durango. Dodge
Durango. He wants a Dodge Durango.
Jace does have a Dodge problem.
He has a Dodge problem. Today, we're not in the shop. We're outside. It's getting cold. It's getting freezing, actually. And I'm trying to get caught up before winter finally gets here. You've seen us pour all this concrete to get rid of the mud. We have that left. This big old strip that runs up the middle of my driveway. So I have someone coming tomorrow to pave this bad boy. Cooper and I are out here. We're getting everything dialed, getting it set down 3 inches so that he can pave away. It's ready to go. We are getting Grandma a little more comfortable up here. We're gonna stack block down along the wall here and then put gravel under it so it looks nice and it's decent and I can finish the yard. We got to pour a stem wall all the way up around here, but that ain't happening today. We're gonna get this block in. I'm gonna leave Cooper in charge of the paving tomorrow. He looks like a foreman, right?
Oh yeah.
That's right. So he'll show you little bits and pieces of the paving process because I'm going to SEMA tomorrow to see if I can win the Onx challenge. I hope that happens. We'll see. We just got the concrete wall all put in. I'll fill in behind it and then we'll fill this up with 7/8 rock. Should do the job.
Let us know if it's straight. It's pretty straight. We could straighten it out with the Mini.
I'll straighten it with the Mini a little bit. All right, we're gonna make a trip down to Dar's gravel pit, get some 7/8 rock, come and finish this here project so we can go back in where it's warm because it was ridiculous. It's cold, Coop. We'll take the old dump truck. It's a little loud since we got the stack on it, but it's way better.
Paul's going to get a loader and then load some of this rock. Got the old dump truck. This will sit in between the rat shack and those blocks. Look nice. This is Papa Dar's operation here. He's probably up there in that dozer.
I went and found Zach. He's actually gonna load it for us.
Can he fit it in the bed?
Probably better out of that.
Looks pretty straight, first glance.
It's not bad, man.
We'll dump it right here.
Right here. I'll scoop it up with the tractor and
Alright, this is how it's gonna look. He's getting him a path over there so we can finish. But looking pretty good.
Looks good.
all right, I believe we're ready for some asphalt tomorrow. So I'm out of here, but Cooper will be here tomorrow. He'll show you. We're not doing the asphalt. We're not asphalt guys, but we'll show you the process. We'll have a nice driveway when we're done tomorrow. But this looks pretty good for who was doing it. That's pretty good.
All right, guys, it's morning. Me and Paul, we did this rock wall yesterday. Paul, he left. He's actually at SEMA right now.
And the winner is none other than Fab Rats.
But I'm just at the shop doing random things, but we got the pavement going in. We're getting ready. So we'll show you guys that. It'll be nice. Have this all done for winter. What do you think, Grandma?
Nice to have it done, all done.
Yeah. You're getting your house done too, right?
Yeah, they're doing my driveway too.
They'll go over, finish that. They said they're gonna pave tomorrow. He said that ideally you want it 50 degrees and up, so it's supposed to be a little warmer tomorrow.
This is Jace's new ride. You'll remember not too many videos ago, he bought a Chevy truck. He worked on that, got all the bugs worked out of it, sold that truck, ended up buying this Dodge Charger. He's trying to work his way up to a Trackhawk. Is that what you're going for?
Durango, Dodge.
Durango. He wants a Dodge Durango. So he bought this. It has some problems. It's got a rear main seal that's leaking. PCV valve failed on it. Crankcase pressure blew the rear main seal out. So we're gonna lift it up. We're gonna pull the transmission, put a rear main seal in it, and hopefully have her fixed here in a few hours. I'll walk you through the process. I've never pulled one of these trannies. We'll see what there is.
Sweet.
Good to go. Lift her up. This should be a pretty clean car. You can see that oil leaking. Yep, so the rear main is junk in this thing. We just got to pull a few bolts, jerk tranny, drive line, some stuff out, and we should be able to throw this thing right back in. So we'll see how this goes. All right, we're getting somewhere. We didn't show you a whole lot of this because taking bolts out is fairly boring. But Jace has got torque converter bolts out. We got the drive line unhooked. We're gonna go ahead and pull tranny cooler lines, pull all the bell housing bolts and that. Should be able to slide it backwards. We're not gonna pull the tranny. We're only gonna slide it backwards 3 inches, whatever we can get to get the flywheel off and put the rear main in it. So I'll show you what it looks like here real quick. Rear main looks like this little hing digger here. No big deal. We'll just slip that bad boy in there. Should seal up. A little silicone on the oil pan. Problem solved. I think we're all unbolted. Let's see if we can get this to slide backwards. Yeah, that drive line is our sole problem. All right, we're getting somewhere. Tranny's back. So the shift cable is not allowing us to go back far enough, so Jace is gonna pull it off and we'll push this thing back, pull a flywheel. We should get to the rear main. So we know the rear main was out. I took a cover off, inspection cover, reached up in with a pry bar and popped it back in, but the damage is done. She's leaking, it's terrible. So this should fix it. That's the space we're working in currently because we didn't want to undo everything. So see if we can get this. I don't know if you can see that or not, but the rear main is out. Look at that. She has popped right out of there. So we'll hurry and just take it out, put a new one in it. We'll call it good. We pulled the tranny out. Look at that. She is out of there. I don't know. We'll get her changed and that'll fix that oil leak for sure. All right, pull them out, buddy. There you go. Now go get you a small pry bar. We'll pop that out of there. Right off the side of the block and then aluminum. Get the other side. What's all that grunting for? I don't know. There you go. Now just pull on bolts here. I'll hold your bra. Pull her out. Pull that gasket out of there. Let's go look at that thing. See how far that was out? It was all out that far. I pushed it back in with a pry bar right here, but I couldn't get up to that. That is a result of a bad PCV valve, and it built crankcase pressure, pushed the seal out. We'll put a new one in it real quick. Actually, we already have a new one, so it's the whole setup right here.
Is that the same?
Yeah, it's the same. We'll just put her back in. Got silicone on it. Let's put her back in. This plastic piece is your alignment sleeve, so you don't ruin your gasket. Yahtzee. Bolts.
Right there.
Where's the 10 millimeter ones?
They're in the...
Get them. We need them. We might actually have to suck this up a little. Where's that gun? That ain't right.
It ain't right?
Nope.
You need a mallet?
I don't know what we got going there. We may be double stacking.
Washers?
No, these little... Didn't look for sure. We'll try it again. Yep. See that? Right there.
Oh, you gotta take that one out? Yeah, if it was me, I would have just bolted it up.
You want to be cautious when you're doing that kind of stuff. That looks better. That looks like it'll go in and seal this time. All right.
No more leaky leakies.
Well, it should have fixed that. Flywheel back on it, and then we'll put tranny back in it. All right, we're going for it here. Flywheel bolts going back in. We'll be putting this thing together in no time. There, you're winning. Get another one started. All right, have at her. We'll check in a minute. And push it in. Okay, before you bolt that up, put the center one in.
Okay.
Get that one done. All right, tranny is back in this pig. He's got cross member, driveline to bolt up, and torque converter, some shifter stuff. We're close. I think we're gonna make it. Maybe not all of it tonight, but we're gonna make it.
Precision right here, Jace.
Precision.
Precision.
That's what I've been doing all night. Precision.
All right, I'm out of here tonight. Coop showed up. He was bored, so he came by to see what we were doing. I'm going to bed. I'm leaving Jace to button some stuff up. We'll finish this in the morning. Fire it up and see if it leaks, but I don't think it's gonna. We got to order oil filter, a trans filter for it. We'll do the whole service on this thing just because it's a new car and we need to know where we're at with it. So we'll do all that tomorrow and should be driving this thing. It's morning already. That didn't take long, did it? Seems like I was just barely here. Jason Cooper got pretty much this thing handled last night, I think. As far as I can tell, it's all put together. So Jace's hooking battery up currently. We're gonna put a little bit of tranny fluid in it because we lost some. We'll check the motor oil. We gotta change PCV valve real quick. And then we fire this thing up, see if it leaks oil. Just like that. Right here is your PCV valve. That is the part that failed that caused all of the problems on this rig. So we'll swap it out. Pretty sad that a $4 part causes all the problems that it did, but it definitely did. Okay, fixed.
All of you guys that own this car, that took Paul 1 minute, and then you won't have to pull your entire tranny out.
Yeah, won't blow the sills out of this thing. For dealer use only.
For dealer only.
That's what it says on there. I'm a dealer. Let's put a little tranny fluid in it.
Ready to start?
Yeah, fire it up, Jace.
I don't see any oil.
Put your PCV in it, so I think you can go take it for a drive, take it to like Mount Carmel and back, pull it back in here, we'll lift it up and see if it's leaking. Okay.
Here we go.
We are backing out.
This will be Jace's first real drive in this thing, right? Yeah, buckle up. It's the law. It's the law. I don't think we have a trail of oil. We're doing good. Just quiet. Just cruise. Gander.
I don't see any oil.
It looks pretty good.
I think we're good.
Ready to rip.
Let's go down the line.
She's driving good.
There we go.
Got a sweet little car here.
Oh yeah, dude, this thing's nice.
We got the goods.
Got the goods.
Back to the shop.
Battery. Oh, she's got a little pull to it, not gonna lie.
This won't be the last you see of this car. You got some mods to do.
Oh yeah, we got a little mods to do to it. Maybe Hellcat swap.
Hellcat swap.
I don't have that much money. Oh yeah.
Bust through the shop doors. I don't know. Do you think she will?
Think we fixed it, Coop?
I think so.
It looks like we fixed it.
Yeah.
Before it was like a stream. Look at my trailer out there. It's totally. So look at that. I think you're good, man. And front.
Not bad.
You may have dodged a bullet. She's good. I think you're good to go, my friend.
Scoreboard.
Yep. Get this junker Dodge out of my shop now.
Not junk no more.
Right, good junk now.
Jace does have a Dodge problem.
He has a Dodge problem. I don't know where I went wrong in life, but
They look good.
You're 1 for 2, 50%.
honestly though, my whole life growing up, all the cars I derbied and stuff were all Mopar, 440s, 383s.
They
That's what I
just
built.
ran good out the get.
They
You didn't have
did.
to do anything to
No,
them.
they just had good power. They ran good. I like the way they look. Yep, it's a good looking car. Black, you're gonna hate that, but
Yeah, it's already dirty.
It's always going to be dirty.
yep, it's just perpetually dirty. So.
Just when you go out.
Yep. All right. I think Jace is done until he trades this off for something else. We're done. So thanks for watching.